Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling irie because we got another jam-packed pick a card reading for you today. And today we are looking into what does he think about me, and why he wants to see you in that little black dress. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Sit back and relax, okay? Come and join the family, but sit back and relax with a nice cup of tea. Let us know what you are sipping on today. I've got some chamomile tea that I may sip from time to time as we gather these intuitive gems. So welcome. All right, so we've got 3 piles here: pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. So go to that number that's calling you. Okay, we like to have a lot of fun around here, so come and sit back and relax. Right, so before we begin, we're going to call in some good energy into the reads. Okay, in Jamaican culture, good, when we say something, when we repeat something twice, it's just telling us how good it is. Okay, so we're gonna say good. Okay, bring in that good energy. Okay, all right, let's get into it. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages that we are about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective, that they can use to strengthen their own intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you. All right, so we have pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. So go to that number that's calling you, and I'll see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile 1. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Sit back and relax with your favorite beverage or some snacks as we get into it, honey. Yes, darling. So let's see Wagwan. Okay, so we're looking into that question of what does he think about me and why he wants to see you in that little black dress, honey. Ooh wee. Okay, the Hierophant and the Page of Wands. So I feel like this person is really drawn to the energy of you having this kind of really strong energy of guidance. I'm getting like you're a teacher. Okay, like I feel like you can teach this person so many things, and I feel like it brings in there like a younger energy. Now there could be an age gap here, there could be an age difference going on here, but I feel like this person is really drawn to you. But I feel like also with the Page of Wands being here, there could be maybe messages going back and forth, or they could be wanting to message you and they're thinking about that. I feel like they could also be seeking guidance this time as well from others that can kind of give them some support, or maybe how to approach you. But I feel like this person is really drawn to this energy of you, that they can learn a lot from you. And I feel like that is also something that they admire, and they also are alert. I feel like it's also alluring. But now let's look into the why they want to see you in a black dress. Now I feel like they want to see you in a black dress because there is that, again, the energy of you being this kind of like carrying this energy of the teacher, someone that they can learn from. But I feel like it's also this sex appeal that you carry in this energy of you being this person that they can learn from. I feel like it's also they want to see that side of you as well, and I feel like they're really drawn to this energy. So we're going to pull out the Romance Angel Oracle deck. Let's see what wants to come out for the collective who chose pile 1. Okay, so what does he think about me? So we already gathering this energy of teacher. Okay, you can, I'm getting this energy like I could teach you a thing or two. Ooh wee, ooh la la. Hey, so we're gonna keep looking. Okay, so let's see what wants to come out for the romantic angel oracle deck for the collective who chose pile one. Okay, for the collective who chose pile one, what does he think about me and why he wants to see you in the little black dress? So what does he think about me and why he wants to see me in the little black dress? Oh, something wants to come out. Something is, woo! Look at that. You deserve love. You are so lovable. Again, they are they are really drawn to your energy. They are really drawn, and I feel like the more they get to know you, or the conversations that they have, I feel like it's also, maybe they could be like, this person could also have an energy of, I feel like you could make them feel nervous at times, and I feel like it can also be like they are always like, wow, like they really enjoy conversations. I'm really getting that they really thoroughly enjoy conversations, but I feel like every time they enjoy these conversations, it's like a piece of them, like their heart grows fonder and fonder and fonder for you. Okay, and I feel like this is something that they are really drawn to. Okay. Ooh la la. Okay. So we're going to have a look now and see. We got some Rudies now. Let's have a look and see what's to come out. For the collective who chose pile one. This person that is drawn to you. Okay. What does he think of me? Why does he want to see me in a little black dress? Okay, let's see what's to come out. Why do you want to see in a little black dress? Ooh. Oi, 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 oi. Saucy minx. Look at this. Play with me. Again, I just see, there's a kind of like a little nervous, shy energy going on. But I feel like the saucy minx is like, they want to see that energy of you being like, the energy of someone that they can learn from. But I feel like it's also, this is an energy that they want to see in you as well. So I feel like this person is very attractive to you at this time, with the saucy minx being here. Okay, so if this person was going to, let's say, take you on a date, we've got some cocktail cards. Okay, let's see what wants to come out regarding what does this think for me. So we're already having this energy that this person really is attractive to you. They're really drawn to you, and I feel like you also bring this energy of them wanting to be more fun and do lots of fun things with you. And I feel like it's also bringing their inner child energy and really wanting to engage with you. But I feel like they could also be kind of wanting to, not rush, because I feel like they're also trying to make sure that they're pacing things. But I feel like they are drawn, and they could also be wanting to, if there could be some cultural differences here, and perhaps is trying to like do their best to respect those things. But I feel like this person is very attractive to you at this time. Okay, so let's see what's come out. Ooh, a Cuba Libra. So this is the Queen of Swords. So again, I feel like it's, with the Queen of Swords, I feel like this could be something, again, that they are drawn to your intellect. You may come across, I feel like maybe the energy could come across that, you're very like clear as day. And when I mean as clear as day, like you're just like, yeah, this is what I am. This is, and I feel like this person is drawn, like the more they get to know you, the more they get to know your intellect, they really, I'm getting a real strong energy of that they really are attractive to you. So this cocktail, could be like a cocktail of how they may, how they think of you, how they view you, is this energy of white rum, lime juice, cola. Okay, this energy. So I feel, again, look at this, white rum, lime, cola. So it's like a mix of different things going on there. Ooh la la. Okay, so we're gonna pull out Jamaican proverb. Let's see what Jamaican proverb wants to come out for the collective who chose power one as an addition. Ooh, okay, we'll take that one. When when a man belly full, him broke pot. When a man belly full, him broke pot. So he broke the pot. This simply means when a man or a person, okay, is content, they no longer need to go back to that pot. They no longer need to go back to that pot. Now I feel like this person is seeing you as this person that you give this energy of, they feel content when they are around your energy. They can sit and listen to you, learn from you. It makes them want to, I'm getting the energy, it makes them want to be a better person as well. It's very enticing, your energy at this time. So again, this energy of being satisfied. Sometimes we can forget the little things, being present, being thankful for our blessings, daily gratitude. And I feel like this person is really drawn to your energy. Oh la la. Hey. So we're going to have a look now and see what keyword wants to come out. Let's see what keyword wants to come out for the collective who chose power one. What does he think of me? And why he wants to see me in the little black dress. What wants to come out? Okay, let's come out. We've got a few here. Okay, so we've got communication. They want to communicate, the variety. They enjoyed like the topics that you discussed and the interests, share similar interests. We've got the message, just like the Page of Wands. They may be wanting to send messages. And I feel like it could also be trying to, again, look gentle, come across not too fast. I feel like it's also not to put you off. Shadow. So I feel like with the shadow being here, there could be something in, perhaps it could be, as we saw the Queen of Swords earlier, there could be some things there where perhaps it's made them feel like, oh, there might be a bit abrasive. But I feel like it's something that they're not, it's not putting them off or anything like that. And I feel like it could also be maybe an energy of taking time to work on yourself. We have hope, we have culture, so that there could be again a cultural difference here. Okay, run. Okay, run. So I feel like the run could also be like a sense of nervousness, and it could be a mutual energy there. To take, sport, test, with, sign, like, off, ties. Ooh, ties. Okay, class. Look at door, news, energy, give, social media, precious, all, sing, kind. So there's a lot of messages here, and I feel like, you know, we always take what resonates, but I feel like this person, what does he think of you, is that this person is really drawn to your energy. And I feel like they enjoy learning from you, maybe learning learning more about you. But I feel like there could be of like some in conversations where it has been about differences. There might be a class difference, just like a class difference. There could also be an age difference for some of you. There could also be, maybe this person is perhaps could be a younger, but is also, I'm kind of getting like an old soul, but a young, like an old soul, or a young person with a young old soul. Or it could be the both of you have that, carry that energy. And I feel like through communication, singing, being yourself, I feel that will really help to, for the two of you to kind of like see, oh wow, like maybe we both like one another. But this is what I'm kind of getting here. But we're gonna look for some. We're gonna pull out the simple tarot now and see. Okay, in regards to, is there any additional information that we can that we need to know regarding what this person thinks of you? So for the collective, you chose pile 1. Can we clarify the messages regarding what he thinks of me? So what does he think of me? Can we clarify? Ooh, the 9 of coins, the 9 of pentacles. Now it did come out this way, but I feel intuitively that it was meant as this way, the 9 of pentacles. So I feel like, again, if we think of the 9 of pentacles, the 9 of pentacles represents like an individual who's really got themselves together. They've really acquired wealth, and that could be wealth in knowledge, wealth in financial wealth, working on their own, being Miss Independent. I'm getting Miss Independent. That's why I love her. I feel like this could be this energy that this person is really drawn, really attractive, wants to see you in these elegant gowns. Okay. Ooh, oh la la. Look at that fire energy. You know, I feel like this as well, things around you grow, things are prosperous, and I feel like they're drawn to that energy. Let's see what's at the front. We've got the Empress, and we have the Queen of Cups. Now these are also upside down, but I feel like this could also be this energy of perhaps this person, and again, if we had class here, I feel like maybe this person may not have necessarily, and this may apply for some of you, may not have everything that you have right now, or maybe not in that place of where they want to be. Okay, but they are very drawn to your energy, and I feel like they can learn a lot from you. So let's see why they want to see you in the little black dress. So why do they want to see you in the little black dress? Ooh. The King of Wands, the King of Wands. Look at that. So they're showing up as the king now, the King of Wands. Now I feel this is like, there's again a strong physical sexual attraction here, and I feel like seeing you in a black dress, or seeing you in like all done up, like your hair did, looking good from head to toe. Yes, child. I feel like this person is gonna be like, wow, to have you on my arm will be like the best gift ever. To have someone like you walk with me, and I feel like I'm getting also, it's a sense of very attractive to you, and I feel like it's going to be an energy of like, you might say, oh, can you help me with my shoe please? And they're like, yeah, sure. But I feel like also, you know, they want to like, you know, walk with you, so you're both like leading together. But I feel like I can see like already like this person's like, no, let me open this door for you, let me pull out the chair for you. But it's also their opportunity to kind of get quick looks quick looks to see how what's going on with the badonkadonk. What's going on. Okay, just to get a few looks about how sexy and attractive you are. So I feel like with the King of Wands here is, yeah, they've got this energy of really wanting to enjoy those times with you, and I feel like it's also them wanting to take that time to also get dressed up, and for you to see them in a more attractive light as well. And I feel like perhaps you also seeing them that way, it may also make you think, oh my gosh, I didn't, Yeah, he's quite fine. He looks really good. Oh my god. Ooh, ooh, wow, oh lord. Okay, so let's just ask about the true intentions. What are their true intentions towards you? What are their true intentions towards you? The Five of Wands. So I feel like with the Five of Wands being here, I feel like the Five of Wands is, I'm not getting like any negative or anything. I feel like it's, they enjoy the rush. They enjoy wanting to get to know you. And I feel like getting to know you for it sparks a passion in them, but it also sparks some kind of a little bit of like a challenge. I'm kind of getting a challenge energy rather than like a competition. I'm getting like a challenge, and they're enjoying that challenge of wanting to know you more. But again, always use your trust your intuition and use your discernment, because we do have the Three of Swords here, okay, and we have the Wheel of Fortune. So I feel like that could be, again, divine's timing. Even if this could be like, for some of you, this could be, perhaps there could have been like a recent breakup, or there could have been maybe working on a healing. And I feel like this can also be, again, because we've seen a lot of, we saw the Page of Wands, we saw the King of Wands, and the Five of Wands. For some of you, again, this might be just like of a physical attraction or a sexual attraction. So always trust your intuition and trust your discernment all the time, okay? All the time, baby. Okay, so to the collective who chose Pile 1, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do? Take what resonates and leave. You have to say it with power. Leave the rest, okay? I saw it go. I saw it go. This simply means that's how it goes around here. So take what resonates and leave the rest. But be sure to look good. And I know you're going to look good in that black dress, okay? Feel good. And I'll see you on the next one. Wow. Wagwan people, Wagwan T-Sippers, Wagwan Regenerals. So we have pile 2, and we're going to look and see what messages are under pile 2. Okay, what does he think of me and why he wants to see you in that little black dress? So we're going to get into it. So sit back, relax with a beverage of your choice, a drink of your choice. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And send us a little cheeky comment below. Let us know what you're sipping and where in the world you are sipping from. All right, let's get into it. Let's see Wagwan. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so we have intuitive gems kicking in. The Page of Cups. So I feel like this person gets really, like, gets these kind of crush feelings when you, and I feel like butterfly feelings every time they think of you, every time they hear your name. Now I feel like this could be somebody that you might work with. This could be somebody that, it could be even like there could be like a girl next door situation going on, where there could be a neighbor, or there could be like someone at a gym. I feel like it's someone who you might see in passing, and perhaps there's been occasions when you're like, oh my gosh, I don't want him to see me like this. I don't want him to see me like this. And you could be just trying to go and get your groceries and things like that. But I feel like this person is also having that same kind of energy here. Now, I feel like with the fish in the cup, because the fish can represent fertility, it can represent, you know, growth. Now, I feel like in this area, this is kind of like something that is maybe starting small, but then can grow. Okay, the pages can represent messages, but it can also represent that kind of that level of where the current maturity is. But I feel like this person with the Empress being here, this person really sees you as this person, you know, like as a as a potential, like, I see like a mother figure, and not in a mother figure like, oh, like, I don't want to be nobody's mama. And I see it as like this person kind of sees you as like the way you move, the way you walk is like a queen and a lady energy. And I feel like when they think of you, when you move, when you groove, when you walk, when you talk, yes, darling, yes, honey, I feel like they are so mesmerized by your energy that it gives them this kind of, oh my gosh, like, this is majestic. This is like a majestic person. Now, there could be an age difference here with a Page of Cups and the Empress in here. There could be a potential age difference. This person could be your age, or they could be younger, okay? Or they could be also your age and carry like a younger energy. Now, I feel like also there could be perhaps this person, as much as they can, I feel like this person is quite an attractive person, but I feel like when it comes to love, I feel like maybe they might not have always had good experiences. So I feel like they want to leave themselves open for new opportunities to come their way. And this could also be you as well, collective. But I feel like this person may come across more of a Page of Cups rather than a King of Cups. And the King of Cups is like someone really secure and confident in showing their feelings, showing their emotions. I feel like this person, that, you know, what they think of you, they do have a lot of interest here, but it's kind of still on, like, you look at the waters at the back, it's like that kind of testing the waters energy. So this is what I'm kind of getting. It's like putting one foot in the, like, in the pond or in the pool, or before they kind of like really dip their feet, dip everything in. I feel like that is also, could be also some kind of like level of trust. Perhaps there could have been some, again, trust issues, or there could have been something where previous experiences have then resulted to them kind of being a bit apprehensive towards trying something new, okay? But again, with the fish, I see that as like a promising thing there, that, you know, if you're willing to invest in this cup, as well as if this person is willing to invest in this cup, it can grow. Look at this, look at the Empress. The Empress is that energy of growth. So this all here, like this energy right here, it's these intuitive gems of growth. Now, I feel, again, you know, this could be a vice versa situation, but I feel like, you know, what they think of you is they see you as a very majestic, you know, a queen and a lady, okay? Tarrus Riley is coming to mind, which is a reggae singer, and he has such a lovely song, which is She's Royal. She's royal, and it goes something like this. She's royal, yeah, so royal, yeah. I want her in my life. Yeah, I never met anyone so divine. And when she moves, she has her own beat. Yes, this is again going back to that energy. When you move, you have your own beat. So divine. Look how divine the Empress is. This is you. This is you in your beauty, in your glory. Now, I feel like as well, they love your style. I feel like they're just really mesmerized. But again, it's that kind of testing that water. Now, I feel like if you see the Empress and how adorned she is right now, okay, look at the energy, look at the vibrant energy that's going on. It's all growth energy. Also, the Empress in numerology in the tarot represents the energy of free. Now, free represents the energy of growth. Now, I see that this person they may be coming across as a Page of Cups, but I feel like this person wants to grow with this energy here, because they see this energy of growth and they admire that about you. So we're going to just pull out this, we're just going to pull out a card. Let's pull out, using the Simply Tarot, with this Page of Cups. As they see you as this energy of growth, what would it how, if you show that interest into this person who is the Page of Cups, show us or show the collective who chose pile 2 their energy of growth, the energy that they want to match. So let's make this clear. Let's make it clear. Rewind. Rewind. Okay. So the energy currently of this person is a Page of Cups, but they want to match your Empress energy. So once they've let's say there's an investment in this energy between the two parties, show us their outcome of growth in this union. You know, yeah. Okay, I think that's clear. So for the collective of pile 2, show us this Page of Cups and their interest to grow to match the Empress energy. Let's have a look. Woo! Why? This person with the 9 of Wands, they're willing to take that time to grow, to expand. Now with this imagery here, I see it as the 9 of Wands is also meaning that they're taking action. Oh yeah. But 9 is an energy of abundance. Okay, it's in that energy of abundance here. But I feel like this 9 of Wands is also standing that this person is wants to take that interest, wants to take that time to grow, wants to take them time to shatter and break old patterns, because they know that they're going to have to break old patterns in order to match this energy, to match the energy of the divine Empress, the divine feminine of Empress. Okay, let's just see what's at the front of the deck. Hangman. Yes, it's going to create a lot of contemplation energy with the Hangman, where they're going to realize, yeah, my old habits of staying in this energy of the Page of Cups can't continue if I want to grow in this union. 7 of Cups. Look, so again, 7, the energy of contemplation. There's going to be a lot of, you know, they might have this cloud over them trying to think of, oh, can I do this, you know? And I feel like, again, it could be going back in this energy of their comfort zone, but they have to come out their comfort zone to match your true energy. And I feel like, again, you know, with the Empress energy, you know, rewind. The messages are just coming through, but it's like the mouthpiece is not matching. So we just got to slow it down a bit. Okay, let's slow it down. Take a deep breath. That's so much better. Okay, so with the Empress now, the Empress energy can match an Emperor. Okay, an Emperor. The Emperor is like that union that will match that Empress. Okay, now for the Page of Cups to get to that, to jump into the seat of an Emperor, they've got to do some work. They've got to do some inner work. You see with the Hangman, look at that, the World in reverse, the Hermit, they've kind of got to also go through their own kind of spiritual awakening to meet you. Now I feel like you are there, okay, and more spiritually connected, whereas this person is not at that level back to the energy of this person being of a more, you know, if they could be the same age of you or maybe younger or vice versa. Okay, there could be any of that energy going on, but this person may not be fully equipped when it comes to expressing their love, okay, because they're not showing up as a King of Cups who is the most secure in expressing how they feel, and don't feel no way, darling, about it. But this Page of Cups energy does. This Page of Cups energy is someone who's more wanting to kind of see if you like them first before they move forward. And even if they do move forward with the Seven of Cups, they're still, oh, I wonder if she likes me, I wonder if she does this, I wonder. So they're doing a lot of this as well, okay? I hope this is kind of making sense. So now we are going to, because we ain't even looked at the black dress yet, but we can already tell from the Empress here that this person is really feeling you. This person is really seeing you as somebody that they could, that they would, that they should. You feel me? You feel me? But they've got to really get, oh, Beyonce upgrade is coming. Let me upgrade you. This is the energy I'm getting. They have to upgrade themselves to kind of get to your majestic level. And this ain't about no, this ain't no arrogant like thing going on about this, oh, they need to upgrade themselves. No, this is kind of like, you know, maybe you have taken that time to really honor and value your temple. You know, you, a queen and a lady, you know, move with that energy, that love, that self-love for yourself, that self-respect. And this person admires that, and they see what they want to become in you, and it's that energy of growth. Okay, all right, so let's pull out Jamaican proverb to start. Let's see what Jamaican proverb wants to come out. So what Jamaican proverb wants to come out for the collective who chose pile 2, and what does he think of me, and why he wants to see me in that little black dress, that sexy black dress. Ooh wee. Peacock hiding foot when him hear about him tail. The peacock hiding foot when him hear about him tail. Now this is basically, look, it's this energy right here of the Page of Cups. Okay, now they may come across very full of adornment, full of beauty, very handsome, but again, they hide behind that. Okay, they may hide behind looking very attractive, and it's not the sense of it's like they don't lack substance. I feel like it's, again, it's a confidence issue that they may really be dealing with at this time. Okay, and again, this is why they're not with the Nine of Wands. That has to be shattered. They've got to release those burdens now, because it's big. If they want something to flourish, they've got to let go of old patterns that are not serving them, that are not aligned with them. Okay, now I feel, again, with the Empress, you might be sensing this. Okay, you might be intuitively sensing that there's something going on here. So being too proud, okay, being too proud. Again, I ain't too proud to beg. Okay, I ain't too proud to beg. This is the energy that, again, they've got to let go of this. So being too proud stops you from stops you from growing. Don't stop yourself from learning. Pride. And this is the energy that's going on here, that this person, you know, they can come across very sweet, very handsome, very attractive, but there's an energy of they've got to take some time to do some inner work to get ready to match the energy of the Empress. Okay, so let's pull out a romantic angel oracle. Let's see what wants to come out for this person. Okay, what does he think of you, and why he wants to see you in a black dress? Look at this, a soulmate. This could be a potential soulmate for you. Boy, A potential soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. This could be the one. This could be you've already met the romantic partner you seek. So this could be a potential love partner, but they've got to do the work to match you on a spiritual connection, okay? And I feel like this is also, you know, the energy of growth, the energy of like really taking that time to work on yourself, okay? Coming out of the comfort zone, being confident in expressing how you truly feel for one another, okay? Developing that healthy forms of communication, building unconditional love, setting good healthy boundaries here, okay? Valuing one another, respecting one another. I feel like this is all going on here. But I feel like even with the imagery here, this person is going to, I feel like this person, once they come out into this energy of feeling more confident in themselves, they're going to show you in many ways their affection. And I feel like this could be this person who may value the energy of physical touch. I feel like this person, I feel like it can help them to connect a lot more with you and build that energy of intimacy. I feel like there's a strong energy of intimacy here with this person. Okay. Ooh la la. Now, we're going to look and see why they want to see you in a little back dress. Hey, why they want to see you in a little back chest, child? Ooh, wait. We already know that you're coming out as the Empress. So we already know. Whoa. You a hot tamale right there. You're a hot tamale. Woo. Whoa. The Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune. Now I feel like with the Wheel of Fortune, why they want to see you in a little black dress, I feel like it's them seeing you. And if you think of the Wheel of Fortune, it can represent a cycle, okay? It can represent a change in direction. It can represent divine timing, okay? All of these kind of energies. But I feel like the Wheel of Fortune, okay? Oh, it's coming through. It's coming through. I feel like this person, for them to see you in that little black dress, walking towards you, walking towards them, you all adorned like the Empress that you are. Your hair's done, your body looks so good, so silhouette in that dress. You know, you've got your heels on, your skin is glistening from head to toe, child. And I can see some like, you know, subtle like red lips, you know, with your eyelashes and real like bright eyes, maybe a cat eye going on, but like a subtle one. I feel like when you walk towards them, they can smell the whiff of your perfume. This person is going to be lost. This person is going to be lost. This person is going to be like, wow, I am such a lucky man right now. This is the energy that I'm getting. I am such a lucky man right now. I feel like this person is going to be saying that to themselves when you walk towards them, and they have you like you're holding their arm, and you know they're like, I feel like this person again with this physical touch may do something like, oh, I love the way you look tonight. I love the way that you're dressed. I love how you look tonight, baby. This is what I'm getting. I love how you look. I feel like this is for them would be one of the greatest wish for them to ever have is to see you in that light, but also to see you as somebody that can be that, you know, match that, to be that companion. You know, again, this energy of this could be the one. I feel like this would be one of their greatest wish, and I feel like it's also something that they could be wishing to manifest. Again, think of the fish energy, fertility, okay, representing growth. Okay, now I feel like this is, you know, this person really wants to see you and is hoping, you know, wishing on a star that this could multiply in this multiply this opportunity of having the privilege of taking you out, getting to know you, you know, and seeing all different parts of you. But again, I feel like it's going to open up this person, and the more you engage, it's going to open up this person to go and release old patterns of behavior, of maybe getting to know somebody but then stepping back and not really opening up. And I feel like this is now, you know, if the energy that I'm getting, if they want to get with you, they've got to open up. They've got to open up emotionally and be emotionally available to you. Because you, oh yeah, honey. So we've got some, let's just have a look. As we're on the black dress right now, let's just see what kind of energy this person might be thinking when they see you in this black dress. Ooh, saucy minx. Yeah, they're gonna be like, God damn, oh my gosh. They're gonna try and keep themselves together and compose themselves. But I feel like it's going to be really hard seeing you in that dress. Really hard seeing you in that dress. You looking good from head to toe. Skin glistening. The smell of that perfume. And I'm getting a floral scent. So maybe some of you might like a subtle floral perfume. But I feel like they're going to really be able to smell that perfume off you before you even get close to them. And, you know, I'm getting also like a strawberry scent. Perhaps someone likes strawberry scent, like a slight strawberry cherry scent. But they're going to be really drawn to that energy. Ooh, wee! Ooh, la la. Now we've got, let's just have a look and see what type of cocktail they would like to have with you, or what type of cocktail energy you're giving right now. Ooh, really look at this energy of this red, this vibrant energy. And look at, look at the strawberry. Look at the strawberry. Look at the strawberry. Now we have the Ace of Wands. Oh, wait, you know, the Ace of Wands. That Ace of Wands represents, you know, that big D energy. That big D energy. Oh, no, sorry. This is the Ace of... Wait. Yes, this is the Ace of... Now I'm kind of getting a bit of confused now. But I believe this is the... Correct me if I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I don't know why I'm getting it as the Ace of Wands or Ace of Swords. But anyway, we'll move on, okay? But I feel like this is... Again, it's this energy of clarity. This energy... It's going to be an energy of sexual attraction right here. Okay, a kiss goodnight. This is something that they're going to be, they're going to be really, with this divine timing, hoping, praying that they can have this opportunity with you to take you out, to have this like a romantic encounters with you, with this strawberry. Look at this. Look at the this cocktail. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Oh la la, yeah, they're gonna really want this opportunity with you. So we're gonna pull out some keywords. Let's see what keywords wants to come out just to end this read. Let's have a look. So we have, look at this. We have the universe. They look guidance. Different, yes, there could be, again, it could be a different background. It could be that you both come from different parts of the world, different cultures. Do reflect. Yeah, they're gonna have to take that time again to reflect, and you know, if they want, you know, make this thing happen. You see what I'm saying? Synchronicities, yes. Love. Yes, there is energy of love right here. We have Manifest, yes. They really want to manifest this. Choices. We saw that with the Seven of Cups earlier. Travel, yes, they want to come to you. They're trying to visualize you coming to them, walking towards them. Close. Yeah, they've got to close an old chapter of their previous energy. They've got to show up as a king. They've got to match up that majestic energy that you're displaying. They've got to let things happen. The feminine, the empress energy. Look at this. So there could be an older female. So there could be an age difference here. Now, C. We've got C. Season. Look at this with the Wheel of Fortune as well. Why? So there could be again some questions again about, you know, as we're looking into the question, what does he think about me and why he wants to see me in the little black dress? Funny. Yes. We have help. Okay. We have fire. Yeah, there's a lot of, look at this. We have the fire energy here. Kind. Yes, I do feel like this person has those energies. Rules. We have past. Yes, and again going back to, as what we said earlier, this person may have, past experience may have resulted to this person feeling or becoming more hesitant to express in love. Believe. Older male. So again, there could be an age difference here, or there could be that they're both of you at the same age, but one is more showing a more involved attitude to expressing love. Okay, relationship. Organize. Yes, so this could be like trying to organize a day, trying to find ways of how to come towards you. Balance. Yes, they've got to match your energy. And it's not, or the two of you have to find some kind of compromise to match one another's energy. Look at that. And we have health. Now, I feel like that could also be perhaps something to do with the outlook and your attitudes to things. And maybe there could be, maybe for some of you there could have been some kind of maybe recent illness or anything like that, but I feel like it's more going on to the health of this union. Okay, things have to flow, things have to balance. Okay, so collective, I hope the messages was resonating. Take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. Take what resonates and leave the rest. But you know, I saw it go. This simply means that's how it goes around here. That's how it goes around here. But be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile 3. We are going to look into pile 3 and gather those intuitive gems on what does he think of me and why he wants to see you in that little black dress. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. So sit back and relax with a choice, a favorite choice of your drink or a beverage of your choice. That sounds a lot better, doesn't it? Yes. So we're gonna go with that. We're gonna go with that. But let's get into the reads. All right. Let's see what one. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Okay, come and join the Love and Light family. I know you're watching out there, so come on, subscribe. All right. We have the Queen of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the Seven of Wands. Now, I feel like with the Queen of Cups being here, okay, I feel like this person sees you as this energy that they want to I'm getting an energy of they want to defend this energy. Now I feel like there could be an ex here that really wants to come back. This is what I'm getting. There could be an ex here that wants to return, that wants to work on things, that wants to come back. Okay, now if there is an ex for some of you, there could also be a new person that wants to fight for this union, that wants to take that time to really develop this union. Okay, but I feel like they can see you as somebody who is very loving, someone who's very nurturing, and I feel like they can also be displaying this energy as well, and may also be trying to hide it at the same time. So I feel like there could be an energy that this person is also trying to hide it, and it could be vice versa. Maybe the two of you have been giving so much but not enough to be like, does what's this person really thinking about me right now? What's this person really like how they feel right now? And it could be again a joint energy here of giving a little but not too much. Okay, all right, so we're going to pull out a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what the Jamaican proverb wants to tell us. Can we have additional clue, please, for pile 3? Okay, what this person thinks of me and why they want to see me in a little black dress. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so we have the nanny goat. Yes, look. The nanny goat scratch him back. So the nanny goat never scratch him back until him see wall. The nanny goat never scratch him back until him see wall. Until him see wall. This simply means a nanny goat, okay, which is like the female goat. But yes, yeah, so it's like the nanny goat never goes to scratch its back. If its back is a bit itchy, it never goes to scratch its back until it goes to a wall where it can itch, kind of like scratch its back, but then it allows the goat to be able to see what's going on while it's trying to scratch its back. So just think of like this bit's the back, it's trying to scratch its back while keeping an eye on what's going on around them. Okay, now I feel like this is also about, again, this energy of be analytical, okay, for an opportunity, focus and execute. Now I feel like this is the energy that this person is also carrying. Look at what's going on in the 7 of Wands here. This person, this Jamaican proverb is really kicking in. This person is kind of placed themselves on the top of the hill, barricaded themselves with all of these staffs, okay, these wooden staffs, okay, so that they can see what's going on. Okay, they've got a bird's eye view of what's going on down there. Okay, now I feel like this person could also be carrying this energy, and I feel like this could be somebody that they may try to find out as much information as possible. And I feel like this could also be they're trying to protect. If we see where the staff is, it's kind of covering like their throat chakra, it's covering their heart chakra, okay, and potentially it can be also covering, depending on how they're moving it, it could be also covering their sacral and their root. So I feel like this person does carry a loving energy, but I feel like it's, again, a very defensive energy at the same time, because I feel like this person could have had a lot of heartbreaks or a lot of poor experiences when it comes to love. And I feel like it has created some kind of energy where they feel like they have to be on the defense. Okay, again, this could be a vice versa, but I feel like there's a strong energy, especially with the nanny goat coming here. It's like there could be a level of trust issues where letting go of that defense may take some time for them to really feel safe and secure. And I feel like this could also be, again, maybe this person may have not always been emotionally available in the past, or may not always been open to emotional intimacy, not really wanting to share. But I feel like it's not coming from a place of, I'm getting the energy of not being a deadbeat. I don't feel like it's that energy. I feel like it's because perhaps they've been discouraged in the past not to talk, not to share. And I feel like they may have struggled with this. Now, I'm going to pull out the chakra colors because I feel like there's definitely some kind of chakra issues going on here. So let's just pull out the chakras. Let's see what wants to come out. So what chakra could be impacted at this time with this person? What did you just say about it could be this energy, you know, the root? So there could be a root, a root chakra energy blockage here, and a solar plexus, which is, so the root can represent that energy of stability. It can represent that energy of what we have learned, what we have gathered, you know, during our developing, what do you say, our developing years, our growing years, our growing, like like our childhood energy, our inner childhood. Okay, I was trying to look for there's a word, there's a way of saying it, but I couldn't remember it. But but in childhood years. Okay, now we also have the solar plexus, which can represent the energy of confidence, expressing ourselves fully. Now I feel like this could have been a situation here. If we look here, this could have been something. I feel like this person may have been taught not to say how they truly feel, been taught not to express themselves, taught that being emotionally available and expressing how they feel is not okay. This is I'm getting a real strong energy here that this person may have really struggled with trying to say how they feel and express how they feel, because they've been discouraged to do that. And I feel like this could be some childhood patterns here that this person really has to struggle with. Now I feel like there could be a strong maternal energy here as well, that this person may have a good relationship with their mother, and perhaps they may not have a good relationship. Okay, so but I feel like this person does have a genuine interest, but there is some blockages here. Okay, right. But they still want to see you in that black dress though. So we're gonna keep pulling and keep looking. Okay. All right. So let's start with the romantic oracle. Let's see what else wants to come out regarding what does he think of me. For the collective who chose pile 3, what does he think of me and why he wants to see you in a little black dress? So what does he think of me and why he wants to see you in a little black dress? What does he think of me? Woo wee! Woo wee! So we have love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Now I feel, again, you know, this is a valid message for us all to know. You know, it's always about loving yourself first, and this is something that we heavily, did you hear that? Heavily. Don't let auntie self-love kick in, you know. All right. Aunties, yeah, because auntie self-love is always coming out, trying to give us some intuitive gems. But, oh well, auntie love is just coming out. Let auntie love come out now. Darling, honey, we always have to love ourselves first. Always remember that. The first love. Yes, my first love. Our first love always has to be within. Because if you don't love yourself, how can you love others truly if you haven't taken that time to go and love yourself first. Love how you look, love your hair, love your beauty, love your smile, love the way you talk, love the way you move, love the way you groove, love the way you dance. Love everything about you. And this is not no arrogance. This is pure unconditional love. Respecting your boundaries. Respecting your boundaries. Loving on yourself. This is the message that I want to leave with you right now. Okay? Remember your auntie self-love tell you this. All right. Thank you, Auntie Self-Love. You're welcome, darling. All right. Let's get back on. So, love yourself. Your self-love, your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Now, I feel like, again, Queen of Cups energy. You know, the Queen of Cups. If we think of the Queen of Cups, I feel like with the Queen of Cups, and I always kind of take it as well. This is how I interpret it. With the head down, it's like the Queen of Cups is this kind of energy that you're, you know, very giving, very loving. But sometimes it can get into this energy that if we're not too careful, okay, if we're not too careful, you know, okay, we have this energy here, we can then be overgiving, oversharing, that it creates issues with our own boundaries now, because we're now overgiving and it's depleting our cup. And if you look at the Queen of Cups right here, she's looking heavily at her cup. She's looking heavily at her cup. It's almost like all of her ownership of her love is in that cup. Okay, are you with me? Yeah, it's all like it's the ownership is in this cup, and it's this reminder that no, you know, it's here. So give, yes, but make sure you're giving that energy back. You hear that? Make sure you're giving that back. Don't make Auntie Self-Love come back and again, you know. All right. Giving that love back. Now, I feel like this could be a joint energy going on here, but I feel like with this person as well, you know, that may also share interest with you, and it's okay. This may also apply with some of you. I feel like this person may have gone through this experience that it's almost kind of made them a bit hardened when it comes to now showing love. Okay, and I feel like intuitively you might be sensing that there's kind of like hot and cold moments with this person, but I feel like it's because this person is trying to use it as a protective mechanism at the same time, to not give too much away and then feel let down. And I feel like this is why this energy is here, to say it's a reminder to take some time. Perhaps this person still needs to do some inner healing first before they can really come and match the energy. And it could be also vice versa, that you know, there could be some healing needs to take place to ensure that you are actually, you know, completing your cup, making your cup overfill before giving a half full cup away, and there's no mechanism in place yet to keep pouring it for that cup to be overflowing. Is that making sense? I hope that's making sense, because look what we've got here. The heart-to-heart conversations. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other, and I feel like this is something that needs to be done at this time, okay, for you to both come at a level of understanding. And I feel like it's going to be also a lot of listening, okay. Perhaps it could be like two parties saying, right, this is how I feel, listening with no judgment, okay. I feel like it's going to be one of those cases of listening with no judgment, just listening, taking that opportunity to actively listening. And when I say actively listening, it's like really taking that time to just show that you're present, okay, because I feel like this could be the energy that perhaps both of you have experienced. It's like talking or saying things, but no one's really actively listening. And I feel like with actively listening, it's like all your eyes, your ears, your body is showing that you are present, you are in the room, you are listening, you are hearing what this person is saying, you are actually taking on what this person is saying. And I feel like there needs to have this kind of energy going on for the two of you to kind of communicate and break down these kind of these walls, these defense mechanisms to protect the heart, to protect your root chakra, to protect your solar complex when it comes to your confidence, your self-esteem. I feel like it needs to shatter those kind of energies that have created blockages, okay, to let anything in. So I feel like it's an energy of we're blocking where we're not letting anything good. So we found a way to let all the bad out, yes, but at the same time it's at the detriment of bringing good in, okay? And I feel like this is where it's about working on that confidence level in really loving yourself. So we're not just giving half cups away and not finding no mechanism to keep that cup flowing by really getting our self-love game in check, okay? I hope this is making sense. So we don't feel like we need to be hyper vigilant. Think of the nanny goat here. The nanny goat is hyper vigilant of anything that's going on. Same way with the Seven of Wands. This is the Seven of Wands energy. Right, who's ready for this? Who's ready for this? Who's ready for this? Who's ready for this? And it's kind of like really on guard, who's really on energy of thinking, right, I need to get you before you get me. No, we need to let go of this. We have to let go of this energy. Okay? Okay? So, let's have a look now at some... Oh, yes. Now, let's have a look and see why they want to see you in the little black dress. Yes, honey. Let's see why they want to see you in the little black dress. Okay, so what does he think of me? So we kind of gather what he thinks of you. Woo! This came out for pile 2. So have a look at pile 2 because there's a similar energy going on with pile 2. Okay, but I feel like with this, it's like, again, it represents that energy of it's like a season. I feel like maybe taking that time to work on themselves. Hopefully they can come to a point where they can get that opportunity with you. Perhaps it could be on a chance where, you know, you're having a heart-to-heart conversation. It could be like a really comfortable setting where the two of you can really have a really good conversation where you're both actively listening. You're both sitting where your body is facing forward. You can see the person, you are looking at the person, they're engaging with you and you're engaging with them. Now I feel like it's also could be, I'm kind of getting the energy of maybe sitting on a table, not literally sitting on the table, but you know what I mean, on a maybe like a date setting where there's light music being played, a romantic kind of setting, perhaps a restaurant where the two of you are like wining and dining, but you can, you know, the music is subtle enough for you to hear, to have conversations and really talk and express how you feel, and vice versa, how this person feels. But I feel like I can see like maybe hand holding going on while talking and really and listening, and I feel like this helps this person and can also help you to feel more settled, feel more at ease at letting go and feeling like you don't have to go on this attack. And I feel like this is what I feel like with the Wheel of Fortune here, it's hoping like for that divine timing to really kick in and really help this union to flourish and to grow and to let go of these kind of like walls that we've created. Again, look at this, think of the Seven of Wands. The Seven of Wands is ready to attack, it's ready to protest, and it's time we don't need to feel like that. And I feel like this is what the message is here, is to let go of that. We don't need to be that nanny goat that needs to be hyper vigilant every time. Okay? All right. So let's have a look for some with these cocktail cards. Okay, what type of cocktail would they like to have with you, or what type of energy are they getting? I feel like something citrus. I'm kind of getting something citrus, something refreshing will really help. While the communication is flowing, something that will really clear their palate. So let's have a look and see what's to come out regarding what kind of cocktail comes to mind with the collective you chose pile 3 on what this person thinks of me and why they want to see you in a little black dress. Whoa, look at this. It's something citrus. Look what comes out. Hey, hey. So we have the Floridora. So we got some, look at that, lime juice, raspberry liqueur, ginger ale, some gin. And yes, it's the jack of diamonds. So that's like in tarot, that would be like the Knight of Pentacles. So again, the slowest energy in the deck, but it's like that slow and steady. Hey, okay, look, then we got, look at, we've got a lot of citrus energy. Look at this, the lemon drop martini. Again, it's got that energy of the lemon juice. Okay, pour ingredients over ice in a shaker. Shake and strain. Yes, shake and strain. This is what's going on. It's gonna shake and strain everything. This is the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups. So again, it's that romance energy. This person is now, look, they're sure it's ain't that funny? It's like this you know, having this an opportunity to have those heart to heart. They're now showing up as a knight now. They're now showing up as a knight. Knight of Pentacles, a Knight of Cups. So they may, you know, still be on that reserve energy, but slow and steady, you know, as they say, slow and steady wins the race. They're showing up as a Knight of Cups now, willing to express and show their love, willing to show that romantic and emotionally available side to you. Hey, look at that. Woo la la. Ooh wee. Okay. Then we have the Nine of Wands. The Nine of Wands. So I feel like that again, that there's that you're getting, it's like an energy of getting closer and closer to releasing these burden energy. Okay, the Green Laguna. Okay, melon, sweet and sour. Look at that, sweet and sour. Yes, I feel like again, it's this energy of letting go. Okay, they're having to let go of these blockages that have been hindering them. Let's see what else they may think of you in your little black dress. Let's see what else they may think of you in your little black dress. In your little black dress. Something wants to come out. Ooh, okay. Ooh la la. Hey. So again, look, we've got like an energy of that. They might feel a bit nervous. They might feel a bit like hesitant. But the energy they're going to have when they see you in that little black dress while you're talking to them. And this is what I'm getting, this energy that this person really likes physical touch. They really like physical touch. Again, I feel like perhaps being very hyper vigilant in the past may have kind of made them feel a bit resistant or hesitant. But I feel like they find it very soothing, very calming. Okay, so I feel like even a gentle hug will be, I feel like with even just for them to have a gentle hug will be so nourishing for them, because I feel like this could be something they may have not had in the past. And I feel like again there could have been You know, for some of you, there could have been with this person in terms of their growing up, their childhood. I feel like there could have been a strong energy of the family may not have been um, providing a lot of like emotional warmth, showing love to one another, and I feel like this could have rubbed onto this person and feel very hesitant to showing this love as well, love back. Okay, so we're gonna have a look and see what type of keywords wants to come out. Let's see what type of keywords want to come out. Ooh. So we have money, universe. So there could be something to do with like, and I feel like the universe is the wheel of fortune energy. There could be something to do with money as well. Enter. Again, look at that. That energy of enter. Enter. Yeah, taking that time to break down those walls. Message. I feel like these are lots of messages that are coming through. Schedule. Yes, to schedule some time to have a heart-to-heart conversations. The energy of the swords. Okay, communicating with one another. Okay, talking, sharing. Okay. Dad. Like, so again, there could be an energy here that this could be something that someone has seen when like during their growing up, perhaps not feeling comfortable to share their emotions. Sweet. Yes, perhaps this person, like, there could be very sweet stuff, and I feel like that again could be blockages, clutter, gate. Yes, look at again with the 7 of Wands that we saw earlier. There's this energy of blocking. Okay, things being blocked, creating blockages for ourselves. Thankful. I feel like they are very thankful of your energy. Okay, even if they don't always show it, I feel like they are very appreciative of it. Girl, female. So again, I feel like this could also be your energy, and I feel like this could also be an energy from the past that could have also created these gates, these energies of like blocking things, stuff. There could be things that they need to work on to let go of. Okay, and need. Yes, I feel like this is the energy that they need to have these heart to heart conversations. They need to let go of these things that are creating blockages. Okay, so that they can show up. They may need to take some time to do some inner, what we call shadow work, like taking some time to really look on the things that we have that love and light part of us, but there could be some things about us that we don't particularly like, and that's like that shadow that could maybe represent things that we don't particularly, things that we try to avoid. And I feel like this could be again the blockages, and it's like taking that time to really love on all of you. Yeah, love every single part of you. Okay, to really show up, to really show up with a cup full and ready, that's evergreen, ever flowing. All right, but I feel like citrus, there's a strong energy of citrus, and citrus is really good for like cleansing. Okay, so thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. We've gone past that bit. I'm gonna say thank you to the collective. Take what resonate. Take what resonate. But yes, thank you, universe. Anyway, we always big up, and I always like to bring that good energy here. But thank you to the collective. Remember to take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. Take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. This simply means that's how it goes around here. But be sure to look good. Get ready into your nice silhouette black dress, because I know you're gonna look good, honey, from head to toe. Yes, stay blessed, and I see you on the next one. Wagwan.